Alright guys, today we're gonna keep this car reliable. You may be asking, what is it? It is this, the upgraded pulley from Nissan. So if you dive into your motor, that pulley right there is what we're gonna be switching out for this piece. Now why are we upgrading it to this piece is because it has lips right here, so the belt is not going to fly off and start tearing your belt apart. So this is very essential, and I believe this is going to be one of the best things to do to keep your serpentine belt. All right, so you're going to use a 10mm to loosen these bolts, and that's what we have. Guys, it's so simple. It's literally going to take you 5 minutes to do this. There is the tensioner. You're gonna pull one of those wrenches in there, and you're gonna use a bar to get some leverage. And once you twist enough, the belt is gonna get loose, and you can put an Allen key through the hole right there. You're gonna line it up, those two together. Once it's all loose, we're gonna move these, because we already loosened them. We're gonna lift them up, just move them to the side, get to that pulley right there, unscrew it, and screw the new one on. Once you move your driver's side intake, I want to inspect it first, but anyways, now we're gonna get to the tensioner, and now we're gonna use the wrench. Just like that. Then get your little breaker bar. Once it's loose, take your Allen key. Try it. Yeah. All right, perfect. All right, now we're just gonna move these to the side. I don't even know how. Okay, we'll figure that out. Guys, I don't know if you had to deal with the cover to get to the bolt, but I just used this little rubber piece. I don't even know what this tool is. Oil filter remover, and it's right out. It's perfect. I don't see any other videos telling you how to take it off. The easiest way we found is run the wrench through the left. It's gonna be a 16 size socket. Use a breaker bar.
You can do the rest of your hand.
And just start on doing it. Well, we got it off. All right, guys, this is a comparison. Like I said, this one has a lip, this one doesn't. So yeah, now we're just gonna get it on. All right, guys, now all we're doing is just putting it with our hand, slightly tightening it, and then we're gonna be using the wrench to do the rest. Again, also size 16. Guys, so you have to squeeze your hand ever so slightly. I'm doing it by hand because I don't have a wrench. And I'm gonna be doing this for another like 5 minutes. It should be done. All right, guys, before undoing the pulley, make sure your belt is all the way on. The bolt has to be really tight on. Make sure nothing is out of the ordinary. And once you're good, just loosen the tensioner and take out the Allen key. And just like that, gentlemen, now your belt is not gonna fly off, unless it's already crap. But this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, now we start it up and see. Alright guys, everything's up and running.